beginning of everything. My first Bvlgari bag.
And I love the diva symbol. Yes, exactly. Amazing, guys. I think you're best dressed today.
Thank you so much. It's a very, very difficult choice.
So good to see you. You look perfect as always.
Thank you. I tried.
Hi guys, so I really had a tough time finding the proper outfit for tonight's event because first of all it's freezing cold, winter has definitely arrived in London, we're gonna go to New York soon, I really don't want to get sick. And with my other Bvlgari events, it was kind of meet and greet events when I met you guys and I had the best time and I was like, I don't know, can I go all out? Should I go a little bit more casual for tonight? And maybe just take one of my really, really nice cardigans. I have my Gucci shoes on, so I'm gonna take them. I love my Gucci platform shoes. They give you height, they're super comfortable to walk in. Look at beautiful London. Look at this, guys. That's a Christmas papa. I love that tree. So we need a coffee first and then we're going to a very special event today. And it is already dark, guys, but Oxford Circus is always so pretty that I just wanted to stop here for a moment and show you the Christmas lights. Okay guys, let's head to Selfridges because Selfridges is hosting tonight's event. And here we are, guys. Selfridges. Just wanted to show you, of course, this is my bag for the evening because we are actually going to meet Mary Katrantzou tonight. And obviously to celebrate this day we had to take our Mary Katrantzou Bvlgari bag. This was the first collaboration she ever did with them. And I love this bag to bits. And we're here, guys, and we got lots to look at, of course, all the Mary Katrantzou bags. And nobody's here yet, so we have to use that opportunity to film. Because when it's crowded later on, you know, I never know how much footage I actually get. So let's have a look around. And do you want to tell us what's planned for tonight?
Oh yes, we're gonna have an exciting event tonight. We're gonna have the Mary Katrantzou, our creative director, coming here, giving an interview and Q&A, and the beautiful bags here.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you all of them in a moment.
What else is planned is champagne and DJ.
Oh, amazing!
So welcome.
Hi.
So we have the beautiful latest collection of Mary Katrantzou for Bvlgari. And today we'll have the Cala crystals still in the show, and the new glasses as well. They got presented in Paris very recently.
And we're super excited, Gina. Came prepared. What are you wearing today?
It's my Serpenti Forever in metallic carrots.
So stunning. Gina?
Another one in metallic carrot.
Hey guys, so let's have a look. We've seen most of these bags already and just look at these sparkles. I always tell you it's incredible. Okay guys, more sparkles and I'm super excited. I think we have a lot of influencers coming today. So, you know, maybe we can get little interviews with all of them and ask them about their life and fashion advice. And of course we've seen these clutches before, and this is mother of pearl, whereas this is malachite. Absolutely stunning in my opinion. And these are my favorites. I think if I would have to pick a favorite, guys, it would be these two. And of course, you know, the sugarloaf bags. I love them. They are so cute, perfect for every day. And the new DIOR Serpenti. Black and gold, can never go wrong with black and gold, and white and silver. This is the bar, and wow, look at these flower ornaments. That's just incredible.
I'm very excited to meet for the first time Mary Katrantzou. She's been my absolute hero. I'm very excited to meet a cameraman.
Oh, my camera crew.
Good light.
Yeah.
Yes. Wonderful. Let's see here.
Okay, guys, I am here with Mary Katrantzou, the one and only.
Hi everyone. Hi.
I have been a big fan of yours, obviously, since you did the first collaboration.
Which was the
with
beginning of
Bvlgari.
everything. My first Bvlgari bag.
Exactly. So I would love to ask you, where does inspiration come from
for designing all these gorgeous bags that we're seeing today?
Actually, because Bvlgari has been a brand that I've loved since I was a little girl, for me it's really visiting the archives. Looking at the narrative of each symbol. This is the new ginkgo clutch, and it's inspired by the thermal baths of Caracalla, the incredible mosaic floors in Rome that actually inspired Diva's Dream collection for Bvlgari. So for me, it's so important to have rich storytelling, and to me, Bvlgari is a brand that has true cultural symbolism. So there's inspiration everywhere, and it's exciting to work on Serpenti, but also now Kala, and in the future Tubogas, and just all the different symbols of Bvlgari.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm here with Giacomo, and you're responsible for the marketing.
Yes, I'm from the marketing team, so I work with Mary in developing the new collection. Very happy to be there to introduce the new creation of Mary. So very excited.
Tell me what's the most important part.
Yes, the most important item of the new collection is the color crystals here. Because, yeah, those specific colors of crystals is the main inspiration of the new collection of Mary. And is the truly reproduction of the basement of the Terme di Caracalla in Rome.
And I love the Diva symbol.
Yes, exactly. You know, better than me, the inspiration of the collection.
And this is my favorite piece, I have to say.
Yeah.
This multicolor is incredible.
Yes, because those colors are the specific color of the mosaic of the Terme di Caracalla. So yes.
Amazing, guys. Guys, look, I'm here with
Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny is back, and I love your velvet jacket.
Oh,
tonight.
thank you. I thought to be very festive.
It's perfect with the Christmas tree in the back.
Exactly.
I'm here with Andriana.
Hi.
Your outfit is incredible.
Oh, thank you so much. It's actually head to toe Louis Vuitton. Actually, no, wait. These are Givenchy.
Okay. Oh, I love these.
Thank you.
I always wanted a pair of those as well. You know, the ones that are always out.
Yes. Oh my gosh, love that. So my bag is very special. It's my latest purchase.
Oh.
I really wanted a Python bag, and yeah, I got it last week actually.
I love the petite malle, such a heritage piece.
Oh yes, exactly. And this chunky, it's signature Louis Vuitton.
Okay, guys, I'm here with DIOR, and I just spotted you, and you have the best outfit. Oh,
Thank you so much. I'm a vintage girl. I love my Chanel.
Yeah, do you want to tell me everything that you're wearing?
Well, yeah, I got, first of all, I love this. I got this maybe 25 years or so now.
Wow,
This is
guys.
an umbrella.
This is a vintage piece.
Yeah, the brown one is quite rare. It was
Yeah.
a unique
Incredible.
production, yeah.
You have a little Bvlgari one
Yeah.
there.
Got the
Super
back.
cute.
That's
And
it.
Chanel bag.
Yeah, the Chanel bag as well.
Incredible. And tell me about all your vintage.
Yeah, we have the Chanel dress as well, the tweed mini dress. This is Balenciaga actually, the pants, and the shoe are Chanel.
Amazing, guys. I think you're best dressed today.
Thank you so much.
I'm here with Henry.
Hi, Romina. How are you?
You watch my video.
I do indeed, yes.
And you know Jacob.
I do. Hi, Jacob.
Jacob is the best. Hi, Jacob.
Yeah, so nice to meet you. Can't wait to see what Mary has done this season. I'm Greek. I write for Harper's Bazaar Greece. And obviously, it's so amazing to see a Greek designer at a brand that actually was started by a Greek person. So Kyrios Bvlgaris was Greek, and then obviously moved to Italy. So yeah, very excited.
I want to interview you anyway because your
Oh,
outfit
stop
is so
it.
incredible. Tell us what you're wearing.
Okay, so the coat is Sport Max, the dress is Stella McCartney, belt is Alaya, shoes are Malone Sivier,
Oh wow, look at it.
and bag is Dior.
Yes.
Yes, it's actually personalized, so it's a little Dior that I bought. It was plain, and then an artist in Ireland put this mirror on it. The real bracelet is Bvlgari, just because. And then Vintage Cartier, Gucci. What else? I think that's it.
I love it. You look
Oh,
amazing.
stop it. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, I'm back here with Rodolfo. Hi.
Hi, how are you? I'm excited to spend some time with Mary Katrantzou because she's a lovely person. I just met her 10 minutes ago. She's a wonderful human being, very warm. I'm very excited to see the reaction of the novelties from our clients. And I can't wait to dance on Zara Martin with our DJ tonight.
I'm here with Paulina, and do you want to tell me what you're wearing today?
And we are at the Bvlgari event.
I love your jacket, I do. So amazing.
Since we're in London, we don't like to kill animals, so we are protecting.
Unreal crowd, that's what I
Yes,
call it.
yes. But who cares about the fur? Let's look at some bling bling.
Yes, which one's your favorite? Show me both.
Oh, well, it's a very, very difficult choice, but both, my love.
Same.
I don't know with a classy leather.
Classic, you can never go wrong with black and gold, right? Guys, and look who's here with me again, Victoria. Hi, so good to see you. You look perfect as always.
Thank you. I tried.
Do you want to tell us what you're wearing today?
This is actually a find from Mango.
I was just telling her I'm wearing Zara, don't tell anybody.
I know, but Mango dresses right now are amazing. Yeah. Everything else, I've got Jimmy Choo shoes, and then all Bvlgari.
Oh wow. So
All
incredible.
Bvlgari jewelry.
Of course. I was like, let's go with Mary Katrantzou.
I love Mary's bags. Oh, I wish I brought mine now. Oh, I love those. I have this in white.
Oh, I
And
love the white
it.
one.
I wear it all the time.
What are you most excited about tonight?
I'm just really excited to hear more from Mary and hear everything that she's been up to and how she's kind of innovated the brand.
I was so lucky I got my own little personal interview with her earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
She was so lucky.
How amazing! Oh, jealous.
Hi guys, I'm here with Susie, and your outfit just caught my attention. You look stunning.
Thank you.
Do you want to tell me what you're wearing today?
I'm wearing Bernadette. It's like a label from Antwerp. It's like a sort of big taffeta bow. A bit like the Christmas tree behind me.
We love
I thought we're very near Christmas now. We should get very festive because this bag,
I
this
know.
Bvlgari
This is my favorite.
Mary Katrantzou bag is doing a swish.
And we're starting.
Our first creative director for the category in Bvlgari, so we're really proud to have Mary. And Mary actually has been close to Bvlgari for many, many years. I wanted some visionary designers to interpret our icon, so we have this project called Serpenti through the eyes of, and I thought of Mary as somebody to really reimagine our icon.
Thank you, Mireya.
Thank you. Thank you all for joining us. I'll give you a tiny bit of background as to how Mary and I know each other, just because I think it's quite a nice story. We first met backstage at Mary's MA graduation collection at Central St. Martin's in February 2008. And what I realised earlier this year was that was obviously Mary's first ever fashion show, but it was also the first day that I ever attended fashion shows as a member of the press. It was because it was the Friday of London Fashion Week, so it was my first day in fashion, and it was kind of your first day in fashion. So we really have known each other from kind of the very start of our careers, I think.
I didn't even realize.
No, I didn't.
That's scary.
It's depressing.
First of all, I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to Mireya. Here she is. Because Bvlgari has been a brand I've loved since forever, and she trusted me and created a role for me. Now, having visited the archive, working at Bvlgari, I understand so much more the depth of narrative. But even then, I think Bvlgari and their designs shaped me in many ways as a designer. I've always looked at jewelry in that way. Bvlgari has always been a brand that I admire.
Introduction to this universe of Bvlgari.
It was a visit to the archive. That was mind-blowing in many ways because I'd never visited the Bvlgari archive, and you see, pieces. Even I remember looking at minotiers from the 40s, the 50s, and 60s, pieces I'd never seen before. And I remember seeing one snake called the Harlequin watch. It was a Serpenti watch from 1968. And I thought, Bvlgari has always shown Serpenti as a clasp to the bag, as an incredible chain and incredible opening to the bag. But why concentrate on the head? Why not show the entire movement of Serpenti? And that was the birth of my first bag for Bvlgari, which was the snake as a handle, looking at the movement, and then the head. Why belonging a clasp? Why not create a minotier, which is the head of the snake? in a very precious way. That was the first project. It was all about Serpenti, and it was the birth then of a line that we now have called Serpentine, which is different reinterpretations of the movement of the Serpenti snake. I think I see some sparkly ones around today. So yes, it was a very first collaboration, and one that I felt I was learning a lot.
How and what do you want to translate from that jewellery heritage into the accessories you create?
For me, it's about redefining what an accessory can mean. You know, when it comes from a brand like Bvlgari. An accessory from Bvlgari will never be about the logo. As you know, our jewellery never has Bvlgari inscribed on it. It's about what I was saying before, symbols that connect on a deeper level. That you feel empowered by wearing the Serpenti, or you feel very feminine wearing Diva's Dream, or you know, let's say, mechanical genius of the Tubogas has a different grip on you. So to me, looking at a Bvlgari bag or a Bvlgari accessory is a way to connect to this symbolism without ever needing a logo.
Here with Julia, and your outfit is one of a kind. Would you like to tell us what you're wearing today?
Thank you so much. This dress is by Jofra. She's a Bulgarian designer. That's very nice because I'm a Bulgarian of Russian and I love fashion, as you can tell. The bag is Celine. And actually, I don't know if you noticed the boots, but they are hand painted.
Wow, and they're hand painted.
Yes,
And that's incredible.
And it says make Jofra not war.
This is Charlie. The cutest dog, huh? You win best dress.
Look, it was a challenge to find something, a top or a dress. Look at the bag, this is the bag. And the challenge was to find something that will match this. This is just perfect.
Yeah, guys, I think we've seen some amazing outfits tonight. And my voice is gone. It was so loud in there. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. I'm gonna go home now. I love you guys. See you soon.